Hi, are you ready to write some sentences with me? Okay, ready? Using your best handwriting so that you can read it and someone else can read it. The very first sentence that we are going to write is Vans work hard. Say that with me. Vans work hard. The first word is Vans. Give me the sounds. Here we go. V, A, N, Z. This is our Z. When we're writing a sentence, we always have to put a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. So our V in this word is the first letter of the sentence. First word, first letter must be capitalized. So we're going to make a capital V, which looks just like the lowercase, except it uses all of the space. V, A, N, Z, which is our S, Z. Good. Vans. What's the next word? Work. Good. Give me the sounds. We have were and k. This is were, the of works. Okay, here we go. So we're going to put what before we write the sentence? We're going to put a space of one round letter. We're going to move over and write w. Good. Okay, we have Vans work hard. Excellent. Give me the sounds. We have R, D. Do you remember your two-letter R? Okay, here we go. We got to make a space, and we're going to write R. Now I'm running out of room. You keep writing. What's the last sound? D. Okay, we have Vans work hard. Is that our sentence? Yes. So what do we need to do? We need to put a period at the end. Excellent job. Read it with me. Vans work hard. What good writing. Keep going with me. The next sentence is we can help. Say that with me. We can help. The first word is we. Sound it out with me. W-E. When we write a sentence, what always has to go at the beginning of the sentence? A capital letter. So that W needs to be capitalized. It looks just like the lowercase, except it uses all of the space. W-E. We can. Give me the sounds. K, A, N. Okay, we're going to make a space of one round letter, and we're going to write K, A, N. We can help. Good. Give me the sounds. E, O, P. Okay, let's make a space and then write E, O, P. Is this the end of our sentence? We can help. Yes, it is. So we're going to put a period at the end. Excellent job. Did you remember the period without me telling you? All right, let's read the sentences together. Vans work hard. We can help. Good writing today. I'm so proud of you. Okay, draw me a picture and share it with me so that I can see your fantastic writing. And then read these sentences to everyone you know. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.